sunshine and clouds for this Monday, but you can definitely feel that the humidity is up a notch.
Yeah, it sounds like we're right back to that, George. I thought we were escaping the humidity for a bit, but it seems like not all summer.
It is going to stick around only for a little while, guys. The main thing is it's still hazy, and some of that is from some wildfire smoke. Fortunately, I don't think that will be making it down to the ground. What will are some showers and thunderstorms. 13 weather ball, though, for your Tuesday is green. Really no change to our overall weather pattern foreseen, but hazy sunshine out there. Lots of blue skies, but we've got that milkiness to the sky because of the haze and a little bit of wildfire smoke. Good day to be at the beach. Waves running a foot or less. Virtually calm at the lakeshore where folks are getting a suntan. Hopefully not a sunburn. Temperatures are in the water are in the upper 60s to near 70, with the exception of down around Saugatuck. 80 degrees in Grand Rapids, upper 70s along the lakeshore. Warmest spot is up in Fremont, where I was over the weekend at 84. Dew points are in the low 60s, but they'll start to drop here as a cold front comes down from the north. Inland, there's been some pop-up showers and thunderstorms, non-severe. Way over here in Ionia County, where there are some heavy downpours going on, just here to the northwest of Saranac, also northeast of Ionia. Just typical afternoon thunderstorms that pop up occasionally. There's a cold front off to the north that's going to bring some more relief to our area through much of the weekend, and as that cold front comes through during the day on Wednesday, we'll start to see some pop-up showers and storms maybe as early as tomorrow afternoon, but most of them will be tomorrow evening, and then they'll be departing during the morning on Wednesday. So in the afternoon we'll start to see some sunshine on Wednesday, and we've got comfortable weather before it warms up through the weekend. As far as rainfall, nothing here tomorrow, at least in Grand Rapids. There might be more showers and storms off to the north and west late in the afternoon and early evening. But here in Grand Rapids, we'll stay and have another dry day, I think, here in West Michigan. Dew points will be going up just briefly on Wednesday, but most of the time this week, they'll stay in the 50s, very comfortable. Next week, different story. They'll jump into the 60s and 70s, so a little bit of a break from our overall weather pattern. In terms of rainfall, you can see a little bit here on a Wednesday, and then we'll have a dry pattern all the way through Sunday, Coast Guard week. We'll see a chance of a shower next Tuesday. Long range outlook, in case you missed it last Friday, high chances will stay warmer from the 28th through the 1st of August. And in terms of precipitation, you can see from the 28th through the 1st, we are going to see a higher chance for more rainfall as well. Forecast, though, for tonight, look for clear, hazy conditions, upper 50s north, low 60s elsewhere. Northern zone, a little bit of haze in the air, upper 50s here. And in the greater Grand Rapids area, we're looking at clear skies, overnight lows between about 60 and 62. 13 on your side forecast. Chance of an afternoon shower, but most of them will be in the evening, and then departing during the morning on Wednesday. We'll see a little bit higher humidity, as I mentioned, Wednesday, but for the most part, humidity will stay low all the way through the weekend into early next week. Temperatures on Wednesday and Thursday maybe only in the upper 70s to near 80, but warming up through the long weekend, maybe even reaching the upper 80s. Summer weather returning later on this week.
Happy to have it so we can get outside. We'll just maybe need to water our plants for a few.
That's good, though.
Thanks so much, George.
This past weekend, probably one of the best this summer so far. We've continued that into today. We do have a chance of some storms, though, coming our way. We'll talk about that in a moment. In the meantime, 13 weather ball is green. No change to the weather pattern foreseen. And if you're going to walk the dog this evening, got a few cumulus clouds inland, a couple of those producing some showers. Those are mainly east of Grand Rapids, but this is Atlas out on the water. We're going to give you a green paw this evening, whether you're on the land or water, and also tomorrow morning for Derek and Richard. Temperatures will be falling back into the low 60s overnight. Another nice day to create green energy, this time from the sun, with 7.8 out of a 10-point scale. A lot of haze in the air, very light winds, though. Has been the case here throughout the weekend and also for the next several days. Inland, well away from the Grand Rapids, Muskegon, and Holland areas, we've got these pop-up showers and isolated thunderstorms. A couple of them just to the north of Saranac, south of Belding and Smyrna in here. Also some further off to the east over extreme eastern Montcalm County. So generally all of these are occurring east of 131, and that'll be the case here throughout the evening before they dissipate. Now to the north, there's a cold front that will eventually slip down through the area. That's going to clear out our skies and some of our haze later on this week. There are those showers dissipating this evening, and you can see that cold front starting to approach here during the day tomorrow. That may trigger some afternoon showers to the north and west, but most of them will be tomorrow evening. And then as that cold front progresses to the south and east, there'll be some in the morning on Wednesday with the skies clearing out during the day on a Wednesday, so some sunshine. As far as rainfall in the Grand Rapids area, we're going to say very little here until late tomorrow afternoon or evening, and then into the overnight hours through Wednesday morning. Some areas along the lakeshore could see a lot of rain here, most of that coming on early Wednesday, but here in Grand Rapids we'll see a lot less. Long range outlook, this is from July 30th through August 5th. Wrapping up July and into the first 5 days of August, much of the country has high chances for warmer than average readings and a little bit higher chance for more precipitation. That's beyond our 7-day forecast. For tonight, look for clear skies along the lakeshore, upper 50s to near 60, both north and south, around 61 to 62 in Muskegon and Holland. Upper 50s north under clear skies with a light south wind this evening. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, other than that pop-up shower into Ionia County this evening, skies will become clear and overnight lows around 60 to 62. 13 on your side forecast. We do hang on to the haze. Now, some of that is from some wildfire smoke, especially on Wednesday. Morning showers, about 80% of the area will move on out and with afternoon clearing, but a high of 79 both Wednesday and Thursday. And then we will stay haze-free and cloud-free Friday through the weekend as temperatures warm from the low 80s Friday to the upper 80s by Sunday. And even next Monday, we will see very quiet weather, with some showers perhaps one time later next week as well. So everything's looking pretty good here.
Looks like summer.
Not too bad. Thanks so much, George.
George, some haze in the sky today, but not a bad way to start the work week.
Yeah, it's been, it was one of our better weekends.
Yes, it was. I loved Saturday. Enjoyed it so much.
Low humidity and warm temperatures, good deal of sunshine all the way around. Can't get much better than that in the season of summer. We do have some chances for some storms. Those will be coming later on tomorrow evening. 13 weather ball is green and no change to our warm weather pattern foreseen. Highs today climbed up into the low 80s, including 83 here in Grand Rapids. Warm spot was 85 up in Fremont, where I was on Thursday and Saturday this weekend. And our average high is 83. That's also what our forecast high was. And we've done pretty good. You know, we have our times when we have a lot of check marks, but 5 bullseyes in a row, 6 days in a row within our target range. I don't want to be the one to break that here tomorrow, hopefully get another bullseye. We've had some pop-up showers and storms well away from West Michigan. They've been mostly over toward Ionia County right now, where there's been some briefly heavy downpours, especially near Saranac up toward Belding and over toward the Carson City area. Those are going to be dissipating over the next few hours, and we've got clear skies with some haze in the air overnight. Got a cold front off to the north of us that will eventually work its way through on Wednesday. Some scattered afternoon and evening showers are certainly possible here tomorrow, but most areas will stay dry with a few more overnight Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Models showing you'll wake up to some showers and storms on Wednesday, but the skies do clear, especially over the northwest counties in the afternoon. So we have that one chance, and then the rest of the week is going to be dry. Let's total up how much rain may actually fall. Not a whole lot here during the night tonight or during the day tomorrow. There'll be some more showers rolling through toward evening, especially over the northwest counties. Most of the rain will come early on Wednesday morning. Could be up to an inch in a couple of spots here in Grand Rapids. We may have just enough to wet the ground. This may be our only chance for the next 10 days or so. From the European model, you can see the chances of rain here in Grand Rapids fairly low on Wednesday, but then they have a chance here on next Tuesday, but all the rest of this week through the weekend is going to be dry. Now, dew points will be comfortable until Wednesday, maybe briefly getting to 61, but then comfortable all the way through Sunday, with dew points returning to more summer-like levels next week. In case you missed it last Friday, the high chances for warmer temperatures from August 3rd through the 16th, with a high chance for more precipitation during that 2-week period starting on August 3rd. So for tomorrow, highs will be in the mid-80s to the north and low and mid-80s along the lakeshore. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll see highs in the mid-80s as well, ranging from 85 to 86, perhaps a shower or a thunderstorm popping up later on in the day. 13 on your side forecast. The haze will stick around. Most of that is from some wildfire smoke, and it will definitely be a wildfire smoke on a Wednesday when that cold front moves through. Chances of rain tomorrow around 50%. That will be mainly in the evening and overnight, then an 80% chance early in the day Wednesday before skies clear to the north and west. Some of that wildfire haze sticking around on a Thursday. Both Thursday and Wednesday will be in the upper 70s. Lots of sunshine though Friday, Saturday, and Sunday as we warm from the low 80s Friday to the upper 80s on Saturday. And then there is a chance of a shower later on next week starting about Monday or Tuesday, but the chances are fairly low. Just typical showers and thunderstorms for the summertime season.
And that forecast is perfect for the start of the Grand Haven Coast Guard Festival, which is Friday.
It looks that way.
Thank you, George.